Hello everyone, my name is Victor, I'm here with cultmyk, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Spirograph effect on Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to View and make sure that Smart Guides is checked. After that, head over to Stroke and Fill and make sure that there is no fill. Then head over to the rectangle tool up here, right click on it, and then click where it says Star tool. Now with that selected, let's make a star by clicking anywhere and dragging to the side. Now as you can see, I have a star going. If you keep dragging, you can make it bigger or smaller. And also if you click on the bottom arrow or the top arrow, it gives you more points. What we really want is only 4 points, like so. So now hold down Shift and it should straighten your star like that. Now select your shape, go to the Align to Artboard option and make sure that's clicked, and then just center it right in the middle. Now you're going to use your direct select tool with letter A, and you're going to select the top anchor point, hold down Shift, the right anchor point, the bottom, and the left one. Now with all 4 anchor points selected, you are going to see these little dots appear. So grab any of them and just drag just a little bit like so. Now the next thing you're going to do is select these 4 anchor points, this one, that one, and that one. The easiest way to do it is still with our direct selection tool. We're going to just drag and select all of them like that. So now these little dots will appear on this side, and we're just going to grab any of them and we're going to drag it out until you see those red lines appear, and you're going to end up with a shape like that. Now I'm going to make it a little bigger by selecting the shape, holding down Option Shift, and then I'm going to drag to the side. So the next thing we need to do is select the shape again, type the letter R on your keyboard, and you should see this little pink dot appear. So line up your cursor to it, and once it's lined up, hold down Option and you will see those 4 little dots appear. So now you're going to get this floating menu. So here you're going to type 5 and you're going to copy it, and that is going to rotate and copy your shape. Without clicking anywhere, hit Command D on your keyboard and then keep doing it. Command D or Control D if you have a PC, and keep doing that until you complete the circle. So that's our main shape. So now what I want to do is select everything, Command A, and then Command G to group it. So now we have one single shape like that. And next I'm going to go to my layers and I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to grab this layer and put it on the bottom underneath the other layer that was already there. Now with that layer selected, I am going to create a background. So M for my rectangle tool, and I'm going to make it 1920 by 1080, which is my artboard size. Then with that selected, I'm going to align it to the artboard and go in the middle, horizontally and vertically. Now as you can see, we have the stroke, but we don't have the fill, so I'm just gonna flip them like that. I'm gonna double click on my fill and I'm going to put this code for a nice purple. So now I can select my other shape. After that is selected, I'm going to change the stroke color. So I click on the stroke right here, and then I'm going to click where it says gradient. Then you will see this menu appear on the right hand side. I'm going to double click on the left color, then my swatches right here, and I'm going to use a yellow, and then double click on the right color, and I'm going to use this turquoise. But anyway, that is how you make this Spirograph effect. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, there's a lot more coming, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.